Hello guys, good Noel here. And a few days ago, I was in a closed WhatsApp group, and we're having a discussion, and I came to a realization that there were some persons who do not know how to use the Jiji app. Jiji, for those who do not know, is an online marketplace for Nigerians where Nigerians can buy and sell stuff. So if you sell things, you can sell things on Jiji, the platform, and make some reasonable sales. So if you cannot afford to consistently run adverts, you can sell from Jiji too, and you make some tangible sales depending on what you sell and how lucky it gets. So this video is actually going to cover how you can use the Jiji app from your registration to how you list your product. So if you find this video interesting, then you should like this video, and even if you do not find it interesting, of course you should still like this video. What that does is that you are telling YouTube that I like this guy and I think other people should like him too. You get? So that's what you should do. Yeah, so let's get into it. So this is the Jiji app, and first all you have to do is go to your Google Play Store, and there should be an app for iOS too. So you go to the Google Play Store or your your Apple Store, or whatever it's called. You go there and you just type on Jiji, you get the app, and then you download the app. So when you open the app, this is how it's going to appear. This is the interface. So we are going to register. I'm already registered, but we are going to go from the very beginning, which is sign up. So you're going to sign up now. So you click on sign up. You can sign up with your Google, your Facebook, your email or phone number, but we are going to use that of the email, so it's easier for you to do. So when you click on that, you have to input your email, set the password, then your name and your last name and your phone number. Here your name can be like your business name or what you're trying to sell, or it can just be your normal name. It doesn't matter. So you just set it up and you click on register. So you get a confirmation email where you have to confirm, and then you are registered. So when you registered, this is how the dashboard is. So people who sell cars, there are different kind of things you can actually sell. So when you come, this is how it displays. You can see people who sell vehicles, people who sell properties. They have their category: phones and tablets, electronics, home gardens, health and beauty, etc. You can list a lot of things here. So this is how the interface is going to appear. Now we're just going to log in, so you see how you can list your own product. So I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. So I'm logged in now, and as you can see, it says that I have 11 adverts which I had placed before now. So we're just going to look at them, how you can place your own advert. So from here you can see that you receive messages when people like what you've posted. They can send you messages, they can favorite your advert to send you messages later, and some will just call you instantly. So you have to stay on the watch out and reply to messages and take phone calls. So now let's go to how you can list your product. So here where you have sell and a little box with a box with the plus sign, you click on it, and then this is where you pick your category. So if you sell let's say fashion wear, you have to put your advert under the fashion category. electronics under electronics, health and beauty under health and beauty, like that and that. So for the purpose of this video, we're just going to do whatever. Okay, let's just do health and beauty. So when you come to health and beauty, you have to select a subcategory, because under health and beauty you have a lot of categories and subcategories. So you can see fragrance, hair beauty, makeup, sexual wellness, skincare, tobacco accessories, and all of them. So we're just going to work with makeup. So you tap on makeup, so you can see your category has been set as makeup. So you must add at least one photo, but you can add as much as you want, but you must add at least one photo. So you click on photos to add photos. I will not be adding a photo now because I do not have any photo ready to upload or for this video, so we're just going to skip that for now. So here's your title. You write what you're selling. Let's say fast makeup kit. I don't know what that means, if there's anything like that. So you select your region where you are. So you can do it by state. You can select you can use the Google location, or you just select by state. So you have all the states in Nigeria here. Excuse me. You have all the states in Nigeria here, so you just select your state. So again, for the purpose of this class, I will pick Lagos. So in Lagos, you can still select locations within Lagos. So the aim is to make it easier for people who are within you to get in touch with you, so people can come and search for things that are in their locations and find them. So I can come and say, I want people who sell phones in Ikeja, and I'll find them. I want people who sell phones in Lekki, wherever, and all that. So you can set it through your local government. I think these are local governments, yes. So we're going to use let's just use Ojo for no reason. So you've selected Ojo, and then your makeup kit, you have to select gender, if it is for women, if it is for men, if it is unisex. So we're just going to leave it at unisex. So you select your type, the kind of makeup it is. Is it brushes, blotting papers, blush? I have no idea what these things mean. So you ladies, you know this. So we're just going to make it makeup sets. So you select the brand. If you're selling brands, you now pick the one you want. If it is Mary Kay, if it is Alima Pure and all that. Again, I do not know these people. So if your product, it's not branded, it's not a very popular brand, or it is something you do in your own product that is not listed here, so you can just select others and you continue with your life. So you select your color, can be any color you want. If it does not have a specific color, again you select others. Then you select tone, if it is for light people, if it is for medium or dark. Again, I do not know what these things mean, so I'm just going to pick medium. So here is where you write your description, what your product or your makeup kit can do for them. So you say this set is a handy tool, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. You write everything you want, and you have a maximum of 1,000 words, so you write as much as you want, like a proper product description. And then you put your phone number there too, and then you set your price. You can set any price you want, and if you want it to appear that this price is not final and can be negotiated, then you check this box. This means when they view it from the front end, they will see that this price is not final and that it can be negotiated. So you have the invitation to negotiate your price. So if you do not want it to be that, then you just uncheck it, so it is people can now negotiate. So this is where your store name will appear. So this is how it appears. That's my name there, and that's my phone number too. So it says you should promote blah blah blah. So the thing is, Jiji also helps you run they help you run sponsored adverts on their platform. So for 1 week they can charge you 2,500, blah blah blah. And but for this class or this video, we are using the standard, which is free. So you just click on standard, and then you click on post ad. So I do not have a picture here, so it might not post, so I'm just going to add what am I going to add now? I do not have something. I've got nothing to add here. So but that's the basic idea. So if you have your pictures, you've selected your pictures, you upload them, at least one, but you can add as much as you want. The more you add, the better for you, so people are easily convinced that you have this thing. So when you're done, you just click on the post ad. So it's not going to post because, again, I do not have any picture attached. So if you have a picture and you've filled everything here correctly, you will just post it. So your ad will be reviewed, your post will be reviewed, and then it will be approved. Once it is approved, people can now see your ads. Your post is not an ad, it's a post on the platform. So people come there and they look for things they want to buy, so they can see yours and like it and call you, and then you carry out the transaction the way it suits the both of you.